Lulu Pancake Shop. Here we are. Mall timing Sunday to Thursday. Tama lang. Hi, baby. You're so sexy.
Look at that picture. It's like a doorbell.
Yeah, like a doorbell. Okay. Here, anak, here. Baby, come. The President of the United Arab Emirates. It's World Trade Center.
I want pizza.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Okay, hold my hands carefully. Very good. So take care. Wait. It's Lulu Supermarket here in World Trade Center. Yeah, it's Panunam. Wow, lots of. This is an Indian food maybe. Uy, bata, batuta, come on. Are you happy? Yes, she's so happy. Come on. Uy, ginoo ko ang bata, di naman mo lakaw. Yeah, lots of foods. Hi! Gusto niya siya talaga yung kuhaan ko ng dito. Di ba, bebe? Wow! Ang gaganda. Oh, baby, not there. Baby, oh. Aquarium, baby. Nice. Wait. Do not touch, ha? Do not touch the aquarium. Nice aquarium. Yeah. Ito yung favorite ni Ma'am Emilia Montesa. Lily for Ma'am Emilia Montesa. Okay. Ako'y ride na ingani, oh, ibaligya. Okay.
Let's go McDonald's.
Let's go McDonald's. Pang, uy, ayaw. Oh, come on. Automatic lang siya na magbukas. Oh, come na. Puno ng. Okay. Come on. Yes. Hold my hands. No Legoland today. See, it's still closed. The Legoland, okay?
What's
No.
going to eat?
Because it's already still morning. Cheers. McDonald's. Happy Meal. Okay, go there. Go there. What you like? So what do you like to order?
I want vanilla ice cream.
No, not Nilla ice cream. Here, oh. Come on, come on.
I want vanilla ice cream. I want vanilla ice cream.
Okay, come on, baby. Let's wait here. Okay, wala pa yung order natin. Nila ice cream muna. Wait lang tayo.
Help me open this, Nanay.
Okay, I will. Wow. It's yummy. Yummy Nila ice cream in McDo.
Hush what?
Yeah, you have a hash brown. You like the hash brown?
It's so hot.
Wow. And your chocolate.
Yay. Help me open that again.
Yes, I will. How about this one? I will put also.
No.
You don't like this one only.
No, I use it for myself.
My baby girl eating pancake and hash brown with chocolate. Hot chocolate at
Let me
McDonald's.
help.
Yeah, I will help you. It's so yummy. Shh.
Pieces, Nanay.
Okay, yeah, I will make too much pieces, okay?
So many pancakes. One, two, three. Yeah. No. I want more pancakes.
Kadalawa na si Amara. Gustong-gusto magalan niya ng pancake. I like pancake. Ana, also.
Mine too.
Akala ko nasaan na siya. Nandito, nakakita ng kalaro. Wow! Nakakita ng kalaro. Sabi ko, saan na yun? Hindi. Oh my God. Oh. Nandoon ako. Akala ko.
What time is the camera? A camera going to cross a car.
Okay, I will get our food, ha? Dali na. You have to finish your food there. Okay, okay. Come on. Lots of dragon fruits. Nagpupusing-pusing pa in town, Lord. Klase-klaseng mangga pero walang Pilipinas. We opened that in the house, not here. Where is your camera, baby? We have to buy